Right, 20 to 3 on Tuesday. Had a lovely wurst with Louise. Check. Let me just do my stand thing. Had a lovely wurst at Louise, but she didn't have beer. He said, I know where to go. I said, okay, which is another little place here I'd gone past. And the first loop, you probably remember the eatery on the other video. So I came back to the eatery, had one. So I didn't have dollars anymore, of course, so I gave Louise 60 rands. She was happy to take rands. 60 rand, she gave me $30 change, which paid for my beer, and quite fortunately I had a couple of coins. Okay, we're all reg. Let's go. So I had my last draft Hansa here in Namibia. Carla, my host at the Airbnb, said no, she's still on duty, so be there in a few minutes. I've got a feeling I should turn left here, where previously I just went straight coming in. It feels a little bit like I'm on holiday, sort of ish for the first time, you know. Just it's already 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I'm not rushed to the next place, doing whatever. Not that I ever forced myself to. It was hot, you know. I didn't want to be riding around at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But this leg certainly got a different feel to it. Also because it was close and all of those things that I said before. Nice and close. You know, I can afford to dawdle a little bit. So I got into Louise's WhatsApp group for her business, doing the wurst. We spoke about 100 different ideas for her to grow revenue. So I asked her please to let me know how that goes. I remember going past all these things on the way in, so we're definitely on the right track. Oh, hello there. Oryx. Is that right? Gotcha. That's all they do, is they just mine the dunes, eh? Collect diamonds. Well, let me switch off. I forgot how far it is.